Good morning, everybody. I'm back with another design. This one is titled Allie Discovers the Mystery of Nature. I designed this book cover with a little girl who is curious about nature in mind. If you want a custom designed book cover for your children's book, hit me up on Fiverr or shoot me a DM, or you can reach out via email TinnicshaRobbins@gmail.com. I hope you guys enjoy this design. Like, follow, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have a good day.